In this video, we will define the wage data table. If you have not reopened your database, if you've closed it between videos, you would want to reopen it as we did in a previous video. You can see that I have my employee table that we built already sitting here in the under the tables in the objects view. Now we will be creating a new table, so we will again go to the Create tab. We will go to Table Design. Access initially names it Table 1 as it did when we first started the employee table, and we will change that name when we save it. Our first field is Employee ID. It is of type text, and it will be length of 25. This is identical to the same field in the employee table. It is this field that allows the employee table and the wage data table to be related. If you want to find information in this table about a particular employee, you will take their employee ID from the employee table and then search this table with it, because this same field will only hold valid employee IDs for employees that can be found in the employee table. If it does, if it holds any employee IDs that cannot be found in the employee table, you have an error in your database. So that is why we have the employee ID field here again. Next field is wage rate. It will be currency because we are dealing with a monetary value. Currency is a convenient way to save this data. The data types dictate how much space is available to save the data, so that also dictates how large a value you can save. It also dictates what format the data can be saved. Some numeric data fields or data types do not handle decimal places. Others do. So if you are not sure about a data type in a database that you are using, if you're not sure what you need, look up the formatting for each data type. Next field and last field is salaried. This is a yes or no field, because all we need to know is whether the person is salaried or not. So all we need is a Boolean answer, which is a yes or no, true, false. Under format, we will come and change from true, false to yes, no. True, false also works, but the database asked for it to be yes, no. Our table is built except for our primary key. We'll go and we'll click on the employee ID field, which again will serve as our unique identifier. We will click primary key. Now we will attempt to close the table like we did before, or you can go under File, Save Object As. It lists it as Table 1. We will change that to Wage Data and click OK. Go back to our Home tab, and we now see wage data in the list.